Okay, this is not really a will it run, this is a will it drive, but I gotta do it a little bit differently. Unfortunately, I've had to rig up a few things on here. I have a bad solenoid, I don't have any on hand, so I'm gonna have to end up ordering one in. I got a fuel tank, I got the engine. Like I said, we know this engine runs from the tractor it used to be in. It was only sitting for maybe 2 or 3 weeks out of that machine, so there shouldn't be any issues with this starting. Back here I have the jumper pack that will start the electrical system on the machine, since this does have a functioning backfire prevention solenoid. So we'll put power to the electrical system and I'll jump the starter, and we're going to see, will this machine move. The charging system does work on the engine, so it should keep it running long enough to make sure it's going to go back out of the garage. So I'm going to get it running and we'll see what happens. Okay, it didn't start off very good. I was having some bad thoughts, but it gradually got better. There's definitely a stuck idler under there. You can hear it chattering. Obviously, I cannot restart the machine. No battery, no solenoid. So, it runs. Obviously, we knew that. And it will drive. Definitely need to address the idler issue underneath. That's not really going to be too much of an issue for how long this machine sat for. But I got out of the garage. That was my goal. And like I said, as I drove it, it got better. Pretty much just up before I shut off the engine, it was driving really good. So I think this machine is savable. I'm just going to order a solenoid. I'm not going to order a belt as of yet. I'm going to drive it around a bit more, make sure everything's working correctly, and I'm going to tip it up on its side or put it up on a lift